4 days before the cabinet reshuffle, we had the celebration of the foundation day of the UDP.
Presidente do partido nasional gawe kadang gunu ke kampo yen ngan piti kena pangi keren suahi tak kana banengkong pat ka badan kamba
President ke UDP ba Metbah lang do lo kan taj ban keren halo ke jing keren working president ba polng do dangsian halo ke jing bujuli menteri hakan ke soka MD itu habakli halo kan im tak sengi ka karwi tarik no pra ajar apsan ba Metbah lo ong ba kwa ban keren ya ke jing keren gi breu shabar ke parti ya ki kam ke parti ulo ong bagi nu gi badon ke jing sengau gi dai ban keren hapo ke parti om ban keren shabar la ban kedau ba dangsian ba polng do ba siap penhap syuki menteri nak bahak ka UDP wa penpau ba ka jingle ka parti kalong ka bom su tenat namal ba kam don kanu ke jing yakren jing ka kam hapo ka parti uba po la kan thor uba sausngi shua wan jia ka jing bujli syuki menteri presiden ka UDP wa kren sia ba kam don kanu ke jing bujli syuki na ka UDP hendai kalong pada khongpong ha ka juk ko gri san pathai ga kedau ba ka jinglong jingman hapo ka parti UDP kamlong ka bayaj bai yai renti bat kala bandon ke jing pathai ha kini ki sgi khamtam haden ba bapo baru ba kelman sila ga sya penhap skino bat ha ka ceka jungki la bujuli da ba met ba leng do bat ba lakmen remboi.
I don't think it has anything personal, nothing to do with my being personally disappointed. It is a matter of ethics and how one practice ethics in politics, because just 4 days before the cabinet reshuffle, we had the celebration of the foundation day of the UDP, and it was entirely carried out by the Shillong district of the UDP. The program, the funding, everything was done by the Shillong city district. And also the president of the party had gone on record speaking to the media and saying that we have no plan of such a reshuffle where the UDP is concerned. Also, the CEC of the UDP, which had met a month before this chain of events occurred, a few members had raised the issue of whether there'll be a reshuffle of ministers belonging to the UDP, since there is an imminent cabinet reshuffle happening. And it was the president of the United Democratic Party chairing the CEC who said we have no such intention. Ask these two ministers. Those were his words. So that's
Presidente do partido nasional gawe kadang gunu ke kampo yen ngan piti kena pangi keren suahi tak kana banengkong pat ka badan kamba namal ba ka wakum kata kami kada se minya kena po yen bale kumu dengan nang ban ong dengan trai ni dia keli ke la kalau muta tang da keli nan bo pol kalau muta na kam long ta ta kam tu da keli mak kan ba kata thì chúng ta cần lại các khu vực và cái lánh bật là phôi man sẽ ít được tiếp xúc thì những cái sản phẩm chỉ mình kita hilang kami kami sản phẩm apa